Hey guys, hello everyone. Today I'm giving the chicken scent leaf and the bitter leaf. This is a bitter leaf. I've already removed the stick. This is bitter leaf, the leaf, and this is scent leaf. This scent leaf. So I want to wash the two together and give it to them. So the reason why this one is also good to give to them sometimes is because it helps to wash away anything that is going to happen in their body. It will make their poo to be okay, and it will not even make them to fall sick. So when you treat with your normal drugs, then sometimes it's also good to treat with herbs like this. That's leaves like this. So I'm trying to peel the scent leaf from the stick and wash very well. So guys, just watch as I'm going to do justice to this leaf. So this is the, I'm trying to make sure this other ones does not enter into it. So now I'm going to put water. At first, the way I like washing my bitter leaf depends on some people. I normally put a little quantity of water first so that it will be easier for me to wash it very well. Then later I will now add more water to it. So this is what I'll keep scrubbing. So you keep scrubbing and scrubbing the leaf till you make sure the water, although some people like this water now, it is okay for them. For me, I'm still going to wash more. That's wash it very well. So after washing, you make sure you remove the leaf, just like what I'm doing right now. If you like, you can also use your sieve to remove it. If you don't want any leaf, there's any particles to follow the water. So this is it. You can see it. So like this now, I'm going to give it to. I'm trying to filter it. Snap like this as I show you. Snap again. So this is what they are going to drink throughout today. this bitter leaf and scent leaf together. So thank you guys for watching. It's the same tutorial I'm also going to give to the other ones in the other cage. So guys, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.